we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 and the De'Longhi Magnifica Plus. What are your thoughts?
Okay, so both are renewed, right? That's good for the wallet, hopefully. The Philips is going for around $600, and the De'Longhi, well, it's currently unavailable, which is a bummer.
Yeah, that's inconvenient. But let's say its hire was available. What jumps out at you spec-wise?
Well, the De'Longhi boasts 18 one-touch recipes, including iced coffees, which is pretty sweet. The Philips only mentions 5 coffees. That's a big difference in variety, right?
Definitely. And the De'Longhi highlights a 3.5 color touchscreen for customizing drinks and saving user profiles. Does the Philips offer anything like that?
Not really. The Philips focuses more on its LatteGo system for milk frothing, which they claim makes a silky smooth froth. The De'Longhi has their Latte Crema hot system, which handles both milk and milk alternatives. Both are automatic, but the De'Longhi sounds a little more advanced.
What about the grinders? I know that's important for flavor.
Good point. Both have built-in burr grinders, but the De'Longhi has 13 settings versus the Philips 12. More control over the grind size is always a plus.
So the De'Longhi seems more feature-rich. What about size and weight?
The De'Longhi is a bit smaller, at 17.5 x 9.5 x 14 inches, compared to the Philips 1.5 DX 10 inches WX17H. They weigh about the same, around 21 pounds. Not a huge difference there.
Reviews-wise, anything stand out?
This is where it gets tricky. The Philips has 55 ratings, averaging 4.1 stars. People seem to like its ease of use and the taste of the coffee. But some mentioned issues with the milk frother. The De'Longhi? 0 reviews, probably because it's new and unavailable.
Okay, so basically, if the De'Longhi brew available, it looks like it offers more customization and variety, but without any customer feedback to back it up. The Philips is a known quantity, but with fewer features and some potential milk frother issues.
Exactly. And both are renewed, so there's always a bit of a gamble involved, right?
Right. Thanks for the breakdown. It gives me a lot to consider. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.